welcome back to Kodemine. So the next important topic is the help menu, which is the last topic in the Google Sheet. So what is help? If we click on the help menu, we will see a search box, right, where we can search the menu, or we have a like sheet self where we have a documentation related to the sheet, right? If we click on this, they will give us a information. Here we have a some article how we can edit or that kind of documentation kind of thing we have available into the help section. And then we have a training. In training again, we have a step-by-step information of how we can use Google Sheets. So this is a full training you guys can see here, right? This is a full flash information about how you guys can start, right? The level 1, level 2 and level 3. So you guys can get a training from here as well, right? You can see everything is available here. So this is a very good thing, right? Each and every topic is also given here. Yeah. So the next thing is which is update, right? Update is something, it will check that is there any update or anything, right? So it will give you the list of the updates which has been done, like in November 2019 what kind of update has been done, in August, July, what is happen into the Google Sheet software, right? So in the next option we have that report a problem. For example, we are facing any problem, something problem we are getting, and we want to report it to the Google Sheet team, and then we can take a screenshot of here. It automatically get a screenshot, and we can say that okay, this button is not working, help me out, right? So this is how automatically the screenshot will send to the Google team, and you guys can send your problems as well. So this is how to report problem. And then we have a report abuse, copyright, or someone, for example your sheet is public and you want to report, like for example any sheet you are viewing and you want to like report as a something violating light, anything that a virus kind of file, or anything which is a terrorist related content. So you can mark that file and submit to the Google Sheet so that they can delete that file, right? So this is for that. And the next option is privacy policy. That is the some in privacy policy of Google, right? Like every application have. So these are the information you guys can read about this, the privacy policy about the software, right? Each and every software have its own privacy policy. Then the terms of service, right, is again like what are the services and what is their commitment, and what kind of rules they are following. So that is their terms of service. And next is the two things which are I think very important for you guys is, one is function list. Function list basically give you the list of all the functions which are available into the Google Sheet, for example, and you guys can filter it out and you guys can get the syntax as well, right? If I So here you guys can search it like a math function, you guys can search here like maths function, sum if function. So this is how you guys can get each and every function here, date functions, filters, each and every function, we look up kind of formula, everything is available here. So if you guys are confused with the syntax of function like sum, how you guys can perform sum into the Google Sheet, you guys can simply do here sum if as. So you guys have a documentation kind of thing into the Google Sheet. And next thing which is important is in help, that is keyboard shortcut. So if you click on keyboard shortcut, it will give you each and every shortcut which is available into the Google Sheet, right? Which key, right? For example, you guys want to center align, left align, right align. So everything, every shortcut is available here, right? So this is a very beautiful thing, I think. So because I personally believe it, rather than to use mouse clicking here and there, dragging mouse, it take lots of time. So better to use directly keyboard. It will save you lots of time and enhance your skills as well. So this is all about from my team, Kodemine, about the Google Sheet course. Hope you guys enjoy this journey with us. And if you guys have any still query, question, or something, or some topic you want to elaborate, right, or you guys think that this portion we need to enhance or need a particular video, we guys ready to that. Just comment into the comment box. In about section we have our email id. You guys can send personally email to us. We will create a video and upload you and personally notify you that your solution is now available at our platform. And by saying all this, please do like, share, and subscribe this channel. Time to time we are coming up with advanced courses and some advanced tutorials, and hope you guys will enjoy that also, like the way you enjoyed the Google Sheet tutorials. And by saying all this, thank you so much for your time spending in our this Google Sheet tutorial. And have a very good best of luck for your future. Please do share, like, and please subscribe our channel. Share this series with your friends as well. This is a very useful technology. And in case you guys have any suggestion, any feedback, you are most welcome into our platform. We are all our family, and we take your comment on very positive notes. And by saying all this, I just want to thank you from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for your time spending on our platform. Hope you guys learn a lot. And keep liking our video, keep subscribing our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day. Your Karrie.